Welcome to Roblox. Today, we'll explore how to create your very own game in this exciting platform. First, head to roblox.com and create your account. It's easy and free. Once you have your account, download and open Roblox Studio. This is where all the magic happens. Take some time to explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the Toolbox, Explorer, and Properties panel. Now let's plan your game. Think about the theme, genre, and core mechanics of your game. Next, start designing your game world. You can create terrain, models, and use assets from the toolbox. Now it's time to add gameplay elements. Learn some scripting basics using Lua to enhance your game. Testing is crucial. Playtest your game and gather feedback from friends to make improvements. Once you're satisfied, it's time to publish. Set your game permissions and look into monetization options. Don't forget to promote your game within the Roblox community. Use social media and forums to get the word out. Lastly, keep learning. There are plenty of resources available to help you with continued growth in game development.